Yo, keep yawning. Can't stop fucking yawning. It's annoying. What up, Bruce Lean? K. Suleiman. What's going on, K. Suleiman? I fucking passed out on the fucking couch. Holy shit. Passed the fuck out. I had my alarm set. I woke up before the alarm. I was like, I'm turning this fucking thing off so it doesn't go off. And then 2 hours later, I fucking wake up. Oh, man. There we go. Looks like we're at the VWAP. Moose, what's going on? What up, Kenny? Delaware in the building. Installing signs. Trading fucking the NQ like a degenerate. Yeah. That same fucking cricket outside in the front of the house, still fucking going berserk. This is all I miss right here. We hit what 70? We hit 81 or 82 and came down to 603, 604, and bounced off of there. I mean, the overnight's back to fucking. I don't want to say it's back to sucking, but there was some crazy price action for like a week, maybe 2 weeks. And now it's back to moving at a snail's pace. There's definitely opportunities to make money trading, but man, like look at that, just out of nowhere, just out of nowhere. I mean, that's 16. No, what the fuck? No, what's the ES doing? Looks like a double top, maybe. But what's the move anyway? Another 10 points. Oh, did I even turn the camera on? Shit, you guys are fucking. No, you're not even looking at the charts. That's how fucking. I'm so tired. I forgot to fucking turn the camera back on. Let me just log into. One sec, guys. One sec. I know you don't want to fucking look at me, but I gotta log into some accounts. All right, so I'm logged into Take Profit Trader there. No need to be logged into All right, let's log into Apex over here. All right, all right. Fuck. Still waking up. I don't know how long. I'm not gonna stay on until like 4 in the morning or anything. I can't. I gotta wake up to take J Dog to sleep. J Dog Jr. I gotta take him to sleep. I gotta take him to work. Fuck. I gotta take J Dog Jr. to work. And then I do our incognito window. There we go. So I can show you guys what I've done so far, the work I put in so far, which isn't much. The only kind I really traded in, I streamed earlier. I was at my son's soccer practice, and I was fucking trading gold. I fucking hate trading gold. I don't know why. It was moving more than the NQ, and I wanted to get a couple of trades in while I was streaming. And like, I found myself down like $600 fucking dollars in my Take Profit Trader account because I got bottom ticked. But I got it all back, and I'm green. All right, share screen. I don't even want to see my stupid face. My bad. There we go. There we go. Much better now. Fucking Citadel Jesse. Honestly, Jesse, I don't. You're fucking annoying. I think, like, how long can you carry out an act for? Is that like your persona to pretend like you live in your mom's basement? I don't fucking get it. I'm sure you're a real swell person in real life. You're whatever the real version of you is. What up, Create Wealth? What up, Frank Mo? Vito? Yeah, I look wrecked. Yeah, I'm fucking shot. Tamimi. Olisa Trades. Neo. Lifestyle Freedom. What's good? No, I trade. I'll trade the ES. Well, actually, I haven't. I didn't trade the ES for months, and then when the NQ, I just like looking at the ES because it kind of leads the way with the NQ, even though they do the same shit. But when the NQ was dropping and almost fucking, they had to almost halt the NQ last week because it dropped. What were we down? Almost 6%. So I didn't want to fucking keep trading the NQ because like some of these prop firms don't want you to if it's within, like if it's less than 2% away from being halted, they don't want you trading it, and we were. So I pivoted to ES, and now I just kind of been paying attention to ES, not so much to trade it, but just to see what the fuck is going on. What the fuck just happened? You I didn't want to do that. There we go. All right, back. All right, so as you can see, as you can't see because it's my fucking head's blocking the apex view. I'm looking at the camera right now. Jamila, there I am. You like this movement, Great Wealth? I mean, I guess yeah. If you could fucking anticipate what's going to happen, and you go in heavy, oh, it's actually moving a little bit. Wow, look at that candle. These candles are actually moving. Let me go back to the NQ. But let me look at this. That's actually not that bad. 16, 17 points. That's not that bad. I just don't know which way it wants to go. I haven't traded my Apex accounts at all. The only one really that I need to trade. Well, I have a brand new 250K because I had one that was at 10,000 in profit, and I fucking yesterday I was on a fucking rampage of nuking accounts. And then I have my 3 funded accounts. I'm not touching 85 or 88. You know why? Because they're both pending with payouts. I requested a payout um, with 85 for 2750 on literally like right after the clock struck midnight yesterday. And then I completed day 10 of 88 and I requested 2000 on that one. Um, after Apex settled their trading day, it showed up in the drop down. So now all I got left. Yeah, I can't select any accounts anymore, but I got these two pending. So I have 4,750 pending, which is fucking awesome. And then I have 89 I have to trade. I have 2 more days to trade 89. Let me make sure and I'm not gonna fuck with my risk settings. And I'm still upset about 91. I can't believe that happened. 91 was more than halfway there, and I forgot to close a fucking order last night. Basically this time yesterday, um, and it got filled. And of course, the account got nuked while I was sleeping. Why would that? Why would it? Why I would have rather woke up. You know, obviously, in a perfect world, I would have woke up like, oh shit, look at me, I'm up $3,000. Now I have to grow this account much bigger. But I'd rather have to do that than have to fucking get a whole new fucking funded account and start all over again. Especially now with Apex not fucking, Apex is back at 71%. I don't want to fucking get new accounts at 71% personally. I could see, if I needed to, then I would. I've done it. I mean, that's what they used to be all the time. And then they would do when I first started trading with them. It was 71%. It was actually cheaper. Resets were well, resets are. I have a fucking. You know what I have? I have that 80% off coupon code that they give you when you blow funded accounts. So I could use that. I'm probably going to use that and get a 50. I'll get another 50. Let me set my risk settings. So 89. Hold on a second. 89 is at. I needed to be. I had a day where I did $855. And I violated the consistency rule. I didn't really violate it because I didn't have real much profit. But what you want to do though, like on with Apex, if you to stay within the consistency rule, if you want to get as close to the minimum profit threshold as possible, is you don't want to go over 780. And I did by accident. I went over and hit 855. So if you do the math, you divide it by 0.30 because that's 30%, right? I needed to get to 2850, and this is at 3,091. So 3,091 minus 2850, 241. I basically have a $241 leash. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set my daily loss limit on this account because today is day 9. Today's day 9, and then Monday is day 10 for this account, 89. And then I can request another payout, which is fucking awesome. Yay. I already had it set for 50. I'll lose fucking, what do I have to do? I'll lose $80. Fuck it. I just can't do what I did last night. You guys hear? Some of you guys were on the stream last night where I was so fucking annoyed. I kept increasing my daily loss limit because I kept hitting it on 88. Oh, was it 89? It might have been 89. It was 89. It was this one, and I grew it. I fucking traded it all the way back. I was down like $2,000. What the fuck am I doing? It's awful. All right, let's just confirm it's there. This is cool, but like these risk settings are cool, but like the issue with them is I could easily go in there if I'm on full tilt. Like I was on fucking major full tilt last night. You know, in the morning, during the overnight last night, 24 hours ago. It was fucking awful. It carried on throughout the whole fucking day too. It was so bad, so bad, so embarrassing. It was embarrassing actually. What up, Sammy's son? Is my son interested in trading like me? He might be. I don't know. He's interested in like I've been like all my kids really know from me is just me being around all the time because I'm self-employed, so I know he's interested in the potential of making his own money. I know that. I just, I don't want to force him. When he's ready to do something, I'll help him. You know, but right now he's doing the tropical smoothie thing. They started school back up. He's only 17. Well, not only. I mean, fuck. I was just watching a video of him. He had such a big head when he was a kid. I have 4 kids. He had such a big head when he was a kid that it was like fucking heavy. And there's a video of him like literally like eating at the table, eating his dinner at the table, and passing out. And his head is just like his big ass head is just like fucking wobbling around, and he can't keep his head up because he's passing out, and he's still eating. It's funny, and it's just sick to watch that because he was like 2 in that video, and now the kid's 17. And that's just one of my kids. Yeah, it was. Oh, Lisa, yeah, it was fixed yesterday. It was fixed yesterday. It was fixed sometime before the market closed. Yeah, they were having some issue with their withdrawal. Some watch my stream, no, but my kids are usually if they're not like my oldest two, if they're not working, they're usually around. They know I'm streaming. But I've been working from home full time since 2013. So full time. So, and even when I was working from home, even when I was working the last time I had a job was for a marketer, and I kind of just did my own thing. I was like, I might as well have been self-employed. I had my own business at the time, but I wasn't full time yet. But I would like go in, even like I would go in, like I wasn't going into work at 9 o'clock. I can tell you that much. But yeah, anyway, it's just kind of moving at a snail's pace again. Where's the ES at? Yeah, gold. What's gold doing? Gold's kind of moving. So I don't know. My kids know, my youngest has somewhat of an entrepreneurial bug. She's been on me to fucking get her. She's only 13. She wants to like start doing shit on Etsy, like selling stickers and shit. I'm like, yeah, fuck yeah. I could see my son Jacob being good at it. I could see my son Jacob being good at it. I mean, yeah, if my kids could get good at trading, they would never fucking need it. In real, like fucking realistically, if my kids could, if anyone could get good at trading, you don't need a fucking, like, not just prop firm trading, but just trading in general. Well, NQ's not respecting the VWAP, just trading in general. Like, you could just do that for a living. There's so many ways to make money. Yeah, this looks like a little double top here. What are we doing? I have to trade this account. I'm not going to trade fucking 5. And I'm not trading fucking micros because I traded micros with 88 yesterday and went up, made like 3 or 4 good trades with 1 or 2 micros. I was up like $17. I'm like, this is fucking whack. I don't know how people do that. Trade fucking micros. I hate them. Yeah, Vince. What up, Vince? Rich Goodwin. What would you suggest to someone looking to make 50K working from home? I don't know. There's a million ways to do it. Build an audience on a fucking topic that, you know, that you could, continue creating content. I mean, I don't know. I mean, you could say that for prop firm shit, but you got to just find a market and then put stuff in front of them, or just create content or whatever. It's I've been doing online marketing since 2005. Build an email list in the market and fucking pound them with offers. That's another way. Yeah, Elisa, it is awesome. It really is awesome. But at the same time, there's been some fucking dry moments where, because, and it's great because I don't have to, I'm not good at it. I'm not good at being told what to do, in case you haven't noticed. I don't like being told what to do by anybody. Um, I'm very unemployable. I don't like, people, even when I did work for like the dude Mike, like he would tell people, just don't, just, he would bring people in to like do the, act like executives. So he didn't have to. And they would try to fucking manage me. And he said, just leave him alone. Don't even bother with him. He does what he needs to do. Don't try there. You don't manage him. Just, I'm that guy. So, but yeah, I mean, it's tough. Sometimes a lot of times it's great. And then times when it's tough because you don't have someone, you're not fucking guaranteed a check. I'm not guaranteed a check ever. I have to, you really got to keep your fucking pedal to the metal and just keep fucking grinding when you're self-employed. You can't ever fucking let up. You can't ever fucking get comfortable because you just don't fucking know. Shit changes. Shit changes. The shit I do to make money now is a lot different than what I was doing fucking 10 years ago or 8 years ago or even 3 years ago or last year. Shit just keeps, especially in my fucking industry. Like if I was like providing a service, like, well, I mean, I do in one of my business, but like if I was like, operating like a junk removal business, it's different. I just would have to keep doing that and just keep staying in front of people. There's just so many different businesses out there. There's so much shit out there. There's so much money out there, really. I mean, look at this fucking, you know, the economy is all fucked up, but people keep spending money. Yup, lifestyle freedom for real, man. Unemployable. What up, Newts? Curtis? What up, HR? Have I done anything like ClickBank offers? Yeah, I don't even have a ClickBank account anymore. I fucking used to crush it with ClickBank. I used to crush ClickBank. ClickBank used to be a lot easier to just promote anything. Now, the only thing I never liked about ClickBank was the fucking refund. The refund rate on like make money shit was always so fucking high because you could literally I could buy a product that's on the ClickBank marketplace, download it, and then submit a ticket saying I want my money back, just because I want my money back, and they'll give it to me. So the refund rates were always fucking high on ClickBank. 20%. What up, Marco? Hard hat. Would I say the things that make me a great self is what hold me back as a trader? I don't know. The whole trading thing is it should make me a better trader because there's a mental aspect to being on your own. You got to always fucking be on not always be on point, but like it takes some fucking intestinal fortitude to fucking you know to to not to not be reliant on somebody else paying you a job. And there's nothing wrong with them. There's nothing wrong with having a job. I think there's nothing wrong with it at all. There's people that make a fuck ton of money at jobs. There's people that make enough money to feed their family at jobs. Like, I'm not knocking it at all. It's just not for me. It just hasn't been for me for a long time. But like, you gotta keep going. You can't sit around and get fucking comfortable. So I don't know if that affects me trading. I think I'm just a fucking degenerate. I think that's what affects my trading, and I don't have control of my emotions. And I've been good. I've had better control of my emotions, but yesterday was fucked up. Yesterday was a fucked up day, and of course I'm fucking reeling. And it's the day that I fucking blew out like during the day during my New York stream. Dude, I blew out my all time high. I think my all time high was 214 people on the stream at the same time, and I hit fucking 200. There were 263 people watching me fucking spin out of control, which is embarrassing and good at the same time as well. It's like, holy fuck, I blew out my all-time high. But I blew out my all-time high, I think, because YouTube like showing people lost porn. And all the people came to watch me fucking lose my shit. So I don't know, it's like a double-edged sword. I don't know, it depends. I like trading minis. So I'll trade anywhere from 1 to 4 minis on my funded accounts. On on evals, I mean, I'll fucking go all in sometimes. It depends on the size of the account. That's not the issue. It's not it's not because I don't trade micros. Maybe it would have saved me some accounts, but also it would have fucking prevented me from fucking passing accounts and fucking getting paid on accounts. It's not that. It's execution, getting fucked by the market and fucking getting frustrated and then going fucking and then losing control. It ain't the leverage. The leverage isn't the issue. The mental is the issue. Hell yeah, fucking newts. Great, good shit. Market guard. I think the only job I haven't been fired from when I was working for my brother was when you were working for your brother in his business. Not a lack of motivation or hard work. It's the independence and low tolerance. Yeah, dude, market garden, man. I just don't like. I don't like anyone telling me what to do, especially I don't know. And it's not. It's no. It's like I don't have like the superiority complex. I just have this. I've always had this thing built into me that I just fucking hate motherfuckers telling me anything. I don't like being told anything. Just like when fucking COVID was happening, and some motherfucker making $12 an hour at Target was telling me to put a mask on, and I said no, and I would keep walking. You know what I mean? I didn't give a fuck. I don't like fucking people telling. Even like when my man Chill Out came on and was like telling me maybe you should, because I was streaming while I was streaming from the parking lot in my car, and he's telling me maybe your son wants to, maybe you should go watch your son play soccer. I was like, yo, he's fucking good. Don't worry about him. You know. He's like, oh man, sorry. Like, dude, don't worry about me, dog. Like, I had to fucking explain. I'm like, dude, I've been watching my kid play soccer. Fucking, you know, I'm the one who's been taking him to soccer since he's fucking 8 years old. And I coach the team. I've watched him play plenty. Now he's a grown ass kid. None of the other parents are there anyway. I'd be the only. Anytime I go and watch him fucking practice, I'm the only parent there. So, you know, these kids are 17 years old. It's just like even that like little thing like being told what to do like from someone on a stream. I'm like, fuck, don't fucking tell me to do shit. No, I hope Chill Out isn't mad at me, but he was probably like, damn. I'm like literally just fucking streaming like and trading like a degenerate in the back of my car from my hotspot. Yeah, lifestyle for real. Oh, Elisa, man, thank you, Elisa. Yeah, Elisa's getting habitual payouts from Take Profit Trader, killing it, killing it. I appreciate the support, man. Everybody show some love to Elisa for hitting that super chat. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Yeah, you're killing it with Take Profit Trader, bro. How many payouts have you taken from Take Profit Trader just this week alone? You've been like pulling money every day, haven't you? Yeah, the hard hat, dude. I have the book. I've been reading it. I'm just not deep into it yet. I haven't gotten into the meat and potatoes yet. I'm still in the build up to the meat and potatoes. I have the hard copy, the physical copy. I think it's a soft cover, but I have the physical copy. Do I think we flushed down Gizmo? I don't know, man. I have no idea. You would think so because we went up so much yesterday, but here we are, fucking up some more. We're not up much, but who the fuck knows? Are there any major news events? I don't think so. I do want to trade. I do want to take a trade, but like, what am I going to trade? Retail. That's Great Britain. That already happened. That happened. This was a red folder event, and nothing happened. So that goes to show you how much no one gives a fuck about Great Britain's red folder retail sales event. 8:30 building permits. Not Housing starts. Does that fucking move the needle at all? I don't think so. Prelim, UOM, end of UOM. I don't know what UOM means. Consumer settlement sentiment, inflation expectations. That's an interesting one. Is that going to move the market? Inflation expectations. The inflation expectation is it's going to keep going up because the fucking Federal Reserve, those cocksuckers are fucking cocksuckers. They're about as fucking federal as fucking Federal Express. Every single day you've had a withdrawal this week. That's fucking great, man. Pound the confetti for old Lisa Trade. Getting literally pulling money every day from Take Profit Trader. That's what I'm working towards. And I had 2 funded fucking accounts yesterday. Ooh, like a fucking idiot. So pissed. So pissed. What up, Suarez? Fucking yeah, Newts is $50 away, man. Let's pound the confetti for Newts too. Newts is killing it. Newts is killing it. Jam Bear, what's going on? I missed some of you guys coming in and saying what's up. Yeah, the only person, Vince, the only person, you know who else is the only person who could tell me what to do is my wife. And she even has a hard time trying to get me to do shit. I just do, you know, she's the only one who I let tell me what to do. And Darrell. Hopefully Darrell fucking, you know, I got these 2 pending fucking payouts. I hope Darrell remembers that I let him fucking swim in my pool every single day, even though he's waiting for me to fucking DCA so he could tackle me in his Speedos, you know, with his boner garage tattoo on his the boner. Did you guys see that shit yesterday? My boy sent me a picture of some fucking dude with a boner, a tramp stamp called boner, a tattoo on his fucking in the tramp stamp area called boner garage. Fucking hysterical. So now I'm saying Darrell has a boner garage tattoo. Oh my god, it's fucking too much. You know, when I see Curtis, when I see your name, I think of like I was listening to 50 Cent in the car with my son today. I like educating my son on fucking hip hop. I got him hooked on like good shit. Um, we were playing Get Rich or Die Trying. So when I see your name Curtis like that, 2 different things that come in my mind. I think of Curtis Jackson, that's 50 Cent's actual name, and I think of fucking Curtis Blow, some old school rapper from like the early '90s and late '80s. When I see Curtis, it's funny. Curtis Boudreaux, Curtis Blow, kind of has the same ring to it. Yeah, that's what exactly. Market Garden. I'm reading. I'm like looking at the back. I'm like looking at the comments from before. A lot of us came to trading and prop firms from the same perspective. All of us are shitty employees. Not like we suck at being an employee. We just hate being fucking told to do by fucking, you know. So, I mean, there are definitely cases when you work for somebody and it's like you work for the coolest people. You know, you just you fucking everybody's super tight at a company and shit. But there are that type of shit is few and far between. A lot of times you're just working for fucking some fucking douchebag that just happens to have the title that's above you, and you have to fucking be a subordinate to them. You know, Joey Freedom, what's good, man? Yeah, I should read ICT books. I'm good on ICT. I don't have anything against it. I have nothing against ICT. I have my strategy and like I have like a handful of things I look for, and I feel like as of right now, it's enough for me to do what I'm doing. Like I'm here, you know. The time that goes by between payouts is getting shorter and shorter. You know, I requested my first payout on May 2nd, got approved, got paid. That was my first ever payout as a prop firm trader. I started in October, mid October. And then May 16th, I requested another one and I got denied because that's when Apex decided to clamp down on their rules. That would have been cool to get 2 in 1 month. And then And then it wasn't until July 15th that I requested another payout. So another 2 months went by, got paid, and then now a month later I'm requesting. I'm at two payouts pending, and then I'm gonna have another one once I fucking get to day 10 on this. This is day 9. I should trade this shit. I just don't know what the fuck is gonna happen here. Is it gonna drop? Like this shit is just moving so slow. Hmm. Is it gonna like we're just we're literally see there it is. It can't get back over the VWAP, but this is like bullshit fucking price action. Like how do you fucking trade this? I mean, you could get there's definitely some moves to be made, but now like this happened 21 to 40. That's a 20-point move right there. That was that was the last decent move, and then we came back down from 42 to 25, 17 points. Now but we're under the VWAP. We can't get over the VWAP. We might, but we also might because of the way it's moving. Like I could. How many times have you been like trading this type of price action and you're like fucking trying to scalp it and you think it's gonna go back up, you go in long, and then all of a sudden it finally decides to move and it drops fucking 20 more points. Like this candle right here, like I'm watching it, I'm like, this has the look where like it's gonna fuck a bunch of people over who think we're gonna keep going back and forth, up and up and down, and then this candle decides to drop fucking 20 points out of nowhere. So like I don't want to take a position right now because I don't because it's telling me to go long. My you know it's telling me to go long because look, we're in this range, so we're probably gonna go back to the top of the range, and then look what's happening right now. This candle, it's not a huge candle either. It's 4 points, like it's fucking nothing. But I don't know. It's one of those days. We just gotta breathe and relax. Yeah, a lot of breathing and relaxing gonna be going on. I'm curious how long it's gonna take to get approved. When I this payout right here, and look, blown, blown, blown. This payout right here that I requested on July 15th, I got approved in 2 days. I got approved on the 17th of July. Like the issue now is the 17th of August is going to be on the weekend, so I don't know if they work on the weekend. So maybe Monday I get it. I don't know. Like I have no fucking idea. I have no idea. We'll see. A lot of people waited a while. A lot of people that hang out on the street for the August 1st to August 5th payout window, they waited a while, but they got paid. They started hitting me up in the chat. Like, I finally got approved. Finally got approved. Like tens of thousands of dollars in payouts. What up? What up, Dan Evans? What's going up? What's going on, man? Yeah, ice cream trader. Yeah, I can't trade. That's what Patrick Wyland says. ICT stands for I can't trade. What's my favorite? You know what's crazy is I haven't hit up any buffets out here. I've been here for almost 5 years. That's actually I'm thinking about it right now. It's disappointing. That's I can tell you what my favorite pizza is out here, but not a buffet. And I can tell you my favorite sushi. A couple of my favorite sushi spots. I mean, you can't go wrong with any type of sushi on the strip. And I haven't really found like there's a spot by my house that's not bad in terms of like local sushi spots, but I haven't really found a man. When I lived on Long Island, where I grew up, there were like sushi spots, like insane sushi. Like just some random place called Onsen in Oakdale was like the best sushi I've ever fucking had. So good. There were some really good sushi spots out there. The only good sushi out here, you have to go on the strip for it. Look. This is why. This is exactly why I didn't want to fucking play the range because I mean, is it going to bounce off of this right here based on this candle down here? Look, there it is. I said 20 points. It's down 14. coming down to the lower the VWAP. Look, there it is. Is this what is this? The previous day's high? Yeah, it is the previous day's high. What's the previous day's low? Down. Oh my god. We're literally up 60. We went up that much yesterday. Fucking 600 points. We're approaching the previous day's fuck. Previous day's high. Is this gonna? Are we gonna bounce off of that? That's the last time we bounced after dipping when London opened. London opened up here, came down to the previous day's high, and the lower the VWAP band and bounced barely, and that's where we're at right now. I don't trust that. I don't trust any of this shit. The way up is full of resistance, yeah. Yeah, we were just up. Like I just said, like we were fucking up 600 points. Like it's gonna keep going up. I can just see it pulling back, or is it just gonna be a fucking? Is it gonna be a chop day? OPEX. OPEX. OPEX could be. It's OPEX, Dan. I didn't realize that. There'll be some there'll be some weird shit going on. You got all these options expiring and shit. Sell off Friday. Yeah, dude, that's funny, Vince. There's where like we probably all of us probably have parasites in our fucking body right now. But yeah, I don't need it a lot. I don't eat it a lot. I don't eat sushi a lot, but when I do, I hit up one spot by my house, and then like there's a spot called Sushi Sama that makes really good. Actually, they make one of the best appetizers I've ever had. If you're ever in Vegas, go to this place. Even you're staying at the Venetian or the Palazzo, there's a spot called Sushi Sama. It's so fucking good. And they make this appetizer called the Chilean sea bass skewers. It's probably easily the best appetizer I've ever had. I fucking love it. Yeah, see, look at like that's actually not a that's 7 points, but like it bounced. There's no rhyme or reason to where that bounced. Really, it didn't do nothing happened. So is it going to reject off of this? Like this is what you know. Am I going to hit my daily loss limit for this account in this trade? I don't care if I do. If I do, then I'm done for the day. But like, is it going to reject here? I don't fucking know. Is this 9 MA going to hold? This 9 EMA? It doesn't look like it because it bounced. It bounced. There's no rhyme or reason to why it bounced here. So it kind of leads me to believe that's going to go back down. But who the fuck knows, man? It could come all the way back up here. Of course it would because I'm trying to fucking get a little bit more cushion for this account. So who the fuck knows? Oh shit, 5, 10, 20. No, I would love for it to come down and hit this. It bounced for no reason here. There was no reason for it to bounce here. Yeah, I'm gonna get game over. It's gonna play that scary music, that scary sound too. Watch. It's gonna be like kadunk. Is it not gonna hit it? And this is like the other thing. Like this, it's such fucking barely any movement, and it's boring as fuck here. Like this is just so boring right now. Of course, like if I would have went long, if I would have went long, it would have went short. It would have pulled back. But whatever. I don't even care. It's like just get me. This is day 9. Get me day 10. I'd rather do this than flip micros because I have some wiggle room anyway. But get me day 9 over with, and then get me day 10. Get me day 10 on Monday, and let me request another payout. That's it. This is a pay. This account's gonna get. I'm gonna request a payout on this account on Monday after the day settles. Yeah, the red line is the VWAP. This thick ass red line is the VWAP on Tradeovate. Gold had a bit of a move. Yeah, I was trading gold earlier. Like gold was fucking with me. Yeah, that's a nice move for gold. Damn. 993. Let's say just his last low. 994 to it's like a 20 tick move. If you were in a mini for this move, that's like $200 per mini. That's actually a decent movement. It's much better than fucking this NQ shit. But like this move, like, this is what happens now, like with the overnight. Now that we're back to like our regular scheduled programming after the craziness from last fucking week. Oh shit. Alright, can you give me the fucking move? Can you just drop? No? That was a tease. I thought we were gonna start dropping. That was a nice little tease. Oh, we got this hour. We got the hour about to fucking close. We're about to open a new hour. That's why it's moving around a little bit more. But like this move would have. Oh shit, yo, let me get $30. This move would have happened. Um, you know, within like the first couple of minutes if it was regular trading hours. This bullshit. It would have happened already. I'll lock that in. Oh yeah, I got $32 in the account. I got $32. Now it's gonna dump. It didn't look good. I thought I was gonna hit my fucking the daily loss limit of $80 that I set for the account. Yeah, gold. Yeah, gold moved. That's gold, man. I really want to get better at trading gold because there's times when the NQ and the NQ and the ES aren't moving at all. Like right now, like this is nothing. How are you trading this? Like I just traded this and got $30. Whoop de fucking do. So that's when you would want to pivot to something like gold. Gold definitely moving more. Like if I go to the gold chart, look at this move. Like this is the 15 minute, but like you could have gotten in at it bounced right off the pivot point. It bounced off the pivot point at 8. I mean, you could forget about the wick. Let's just talk about where the pivot point's at, which is at 899, 2489.9. The way I like count my ticks with gold is I just go by the last three numbers. So 899 went from 899 to fucking 14. That's not even that much. Well, actually, it is. So that's like 100 ticks. Yeah, oh, wow, gold's back over 2,500. Yeah, that's 100 ticks. So you could have gotten a mini here and just rolled this up. One 15-minute candle, two 15-minute candles, right? For $1,000. So gold is the one that's moving. But then that happened, and then now it's kind of like not to. That move happened, and then now it's kind of like nothing's happening again. But gold is fucking, wow. Gold is back over 2,500. Look at the daily. Interesting. Just look for gold. If gold hits a new all-time high, which it might, look for it to drop 100 plus points after it hits the new all-time high. Like eventually just drop. Whenever it's finishing, like sometimes it'll hit the new all-time high and then do it some more, like here. But when it's done, it goes down a lot, like 100 points. Like here, it went down from 25.22 to 24.04. That's 117 points. Now it's working its way back up. I'll just show you a fit here for the last. Look at that. So forget, aside from this wick, if you look at the candles, gold bounced off the 618 here. And then this thing could keep going up. Who knows though? Nobody knows. I hope gold goes up because I'm holding some physical gold. But it's now like look, like It's barely moving. It's barely fucking moving. Oh, look at that. I could have. Damn. Another fucking 12, 13 points. I would have loved another 13 points. Yeah, damn. It's so funny. I was just talking about how it's barely moving. You know why this is happening? Because it's a new hour. The first, that's about the only action you get on the NQ is, oh, boom. The new hour. The new hour fucking price action. I wish I held that shit. Look at the next candle. It went down a few points and then fuck me. Darrell's coming over. Darrell doesn't want me to get paid. Doesn't want me to get another payout. What up, Hosea? Passed the My Fund the Futures 150K starter eval. Took 4 days. Yeah, no doubt. Great job, man. Great job. Pound the confetti for Hosea. Which one did you have? 150K starter? No, that's a good account. I have this 50K starter. It's crazy. Whoops, that's my notes on Take Profit Trader. Hey, if you're going to get a Take Profit Trader account or a My Fund the Future account or an Apex account, use coupon code ZERODAYJAY to lock in the best deal. Um, anyway, I'll talk more about that in a second. But I wanted to show my funded futures account because I'm proud of the work I've done with my funded futures. Because, well, this is a funded account. I've had it. I should have gotten a payout by now, but I fucking keep hitting the daily loss limit. And the last time I hit the daily loss limit, I was down to 136 bucks in my drawdown. I've 10x my drawdown since then. That was Monday. I've added, like, I'm up 281 today. I see that on the screen. I'm up 281. Yeah, there it is. 281 on the day in this account. And I'm very happy with that because the last 3 days I went up 397, 427, and then 281. So I need to get this because I had a day of 427. I need to fucking get that. I need to get the account. That all I got a ways to go, but I've definitely made some fucking good progress. I need to get to basically 1,070 in profit before I can request a payout. So 1,070 would be 51,070 minus 49,057. I need to get another $2,000 before I can request a fucking payout. So I got a ways to go, but I'm loving the fact that I haven't. This is the same first account. This is the first account I got with my funded futures. I passed it in like a week, and then I've been trading this fucking funded account. What's crazy is if I didn't hit the daily loss limit on the second day of having the account, I would have gotten a payout by now. But I hit it. I came all the way back. Hit it again. Came all the way back. Hit it again, and then hit it again because I'm an idiot. But I'm proud of the work I've done. I've worked myself out of, because at that point when you only have like 130, you got $136 of drawdown remaining in an account, it's pretty much a goner most of the time, at least in my experience. So the fact that I was able to fucking dig myself out of it, I feel good about this account again. And it's still the original account. We're gonna reject here. I don't want to trade this account. I'm not trading that account for the rest of the day. I'm done with this one for the weekend. 281 is more than enough. We're gonna drop here. Let's see if we hit it again. If I can get filled. Ugh. Boring. I would have taken that. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I need to get it to 51. What was it? 51,070 is the magic number for that account, which is a while from now. It's $2,014. then in Apex, I kind of. Oh shit! Yo, that was a nice candle. I almost hit my fucking daily loss limit for the day. Oh yeah, go back up. Come on, do it for the stream. That kind of sucked that that happened. I gave back my $30 of games. I think it's gonna pop. I don't know. Who knows? Let's see. If this goes up a little bit more, I'm gonna be done trading this account. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna get fucked here. Game over. Game over. That sucked. But that was a nice drop. Like look now. I mean, we're down. I got out at 19. It's down fucking 20 something points from there. But watch this. I know how this fucking game always fucking plays. This is what always happens. See that? I get fucking stopped out in another account, and then I just go to the next account and go the opposite way, and it fucking goes up for me. Let's see if it stays going up though. Maybe not. I mean, I could have taken that. I didn't take it. You're over 340K on all 19 of the 250Ks. Damn, bro. That's crazy. Oh, thanks, HR. Thank you. Yeah, that was a lot. That was a lot of people on that stream. Oh, now it's honoring the fucking the lower VWAP end. Go figure. It didn't honor it on the way down, and only honoring it now. It's honoring it when it's trying to go back up to it, trying to get back over it. I should have taken my little $200, $300. What's the spread? 5 ticks. It's funny, like every one of these accounts when I was on days 9 and 10 and shit, and I had the stupid daily loss limit set. I hit it every fucking time, but I still requested a payout. Yeah, push up to this shit. Hit that shit. No, really? That's fucked up. There you go. Fucking motherfucker. That's the second time I get rejected when I tried to move my stop to lock in games. Not the second time. I've been getting that's been happening to me. I get fucking rejected. Now I gave back all those games. That's fucking annoying, actually. Now this is fucked. Whatever. It's a fucking 250K eval. I got so much drawdown. But that's annoying because I was up for like 400, $500. It couldn't fucking come up a little bit more to take me out of some. And then when I tried to move my fucking stop up, when I tried to move my stop up to lock in games, it fucking rejected it. Probably because of the spread. But now I'm gonna get stopped out. What up, Mohi Mohi? Oh, there it is. Oh, we're at the top orb. I'm playing a top orb bounce here. I love the top orb. Let's fucking get more. Oh, how did I do that? I went into fucking add to it. Fuck me. That's what happens when you're fucking tired. What did I get? Fucking 180 bucks. Finally got some. Look who we're down, man. What was I at? I got it at 19 before on that other account when I was in a short, and then fucking went down to 84, 85. That's 30 something points. What? You couldn't take me out of all of that? You fucking out of five? You took me out of two? Such fucking bullshit. So Cove Trader. Cove Trader's getting his day started. And I'm ending my day. Top orb bounce. It took me out of fucking two of the five that I wanted to get taken out of. That's such bullshit. No volume. Probably because of the spread. Who the fuck knows? Who cares? What am I still in eight? Can't wait to get stopped out again. Can't wait to get bottom ticked. I mean, fuck this account anyway. I don't even give a fuck about this account. I do care a little bit more because you don't. Apex doesn't have $35 resets anymore. What is this price action? It's actually fucking moving. It's gonna stop me out. I'll just keep moving it down because you know why? Because fuck them. That's why. Yeah, I'm not looking at the 4 hour. I don't know. I'll look at it in a second. I'm kind of in the middle of something. I'm just looking. I'm just going by this top orb right here. Is it gonna hold? I was up. I didn't take my gains. I mean, you would think that the market's gonna fucking dump after what happened yesterday. Oh, there it is. Yeah, maybe it's gonna wants to come down here to the bottom orb. I'll just go long some more. Let's fucking nuke this account. I'm in an account nuking mood since still from yesterday. This is just some fucking bullshit eval I don't even give a fuck about. I'll care. Oh, there we go. See, I'll care about it more when I pass it though. If I can pass it and get it to be a funded account. Yeah, I got some of it back. I got half of it back. There we go. Because the top orb is fucking money. Kill me. Is it going to drop or is it going to keep pushing up? I think it keeps pushing up, personally. But I've been wrong plenty of times. DCA LeConte, what up? What up, Tactical Reviews? What's going on, man? What's going on, bro? Hope you're doing well. Push over this fucking 9. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Nah, keep going up. Yeah. Oh, don't stop me out there. Are you fucking serious? It was up more. It was up. Can I get 600 bucks on that? Yeah, there it goes. It's gonna keep fucking going up now. Yeah, I fucking knew it. Watch, I get filled here too. Am I gonna get fucked with by the fucking Qs again? The NQ. What up, JJ? Yeah, I would wait though. But I mean, you know better than me. But you might want to wait. Fuck yeah. I moved that. Oh, I don't want to add 5. I'm fucking wrong. I moved the wrong one up. Oh, let's see if it drops. Let's see if it drops from this 21. I've seen it happen so many times. For a little bit, it drops. I'm in this one for a good time, not a long time. Ah, that was it. It's gonna come back down here, maybe. Was that the little drop before it pops back up? I'll take that. Back green. Wasn't I just down $2,000? Ah, sorry guys, I'm not gonna nuke it tonight. No nuking. No nuking. What up, John King? Well, I mean, the fucking top orb is great, man. We wick down below it, but the top orb is it's still going up. Look at that shit. Top orb is so good. You're over three. Yo, so yo, Hosea. I think I'm saying your name right. I'm sorry if I'm not. Dude, what up, Alfred? Like, if, yeah, hell yeah. Yo, so you're up three, how long have you been trading those accounts for that you're up 300? Are you up 340 combined or 340 in each account? Look at that shit. Uh, I thought about it. I tried setting it up and I wasn't enjoying it. Would like locked me. I don't know. It was weird. It was like, oh, you can only trade on this tab once it's hooked up and all this weird shit. I'm like, whatever. I don't mind switching back and forth. Damn, I couldn't get filled. Just another 2 points. Rejecting off the lower VWAP band. I'll take it. I'll take a shot there. But I'm gonna get it. Fucking motherfucker. Locking in gains. Oh, I'm up 441 now. Yeah, I'll be fucking with this account all day. Yeah, I mean, we're up so much. I'm looking at this 4 hour chart. We're up. This one candle. It's so fucking crazy. We're up so much. You would think it's going to come down some, at least to the pivot point, before it bounces again. That would have been cool if I got fucking filled. We can keep going up. I agree. Up 90K on each account, 40 plus days. So what have you just been purposely not taking a payout just to see if they'll pay you for the 3 months that you've been holding that shit? I am fucking shocked, bro. I felt I passed out. I passed out. I fell asleep at like I passed out at like 11:15, 11:30, and woke up at 2. Woke up at like 12:30 and was like, fuck that. And I went back to sleep and woke up at like 2 and then hopped on. I'm going back to sleep soon. Oh, you've been trying to withdraw. Yeah, you're making too much money. Is this going to be the bounce? We came back to the fucking bottom orb, or the top orb. This is going to pop. This is going to come all the way back up here. Maybe. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. I canceled that order. Remember 590.75. Was that a mistake? So far, that's not a mistake. All right, that worked out good. Glad I canceled that order. Yo, Dan, I mean, I could see that happening, man. How many times does that happen? It literally gives back the move. I mean, we dumped. I mean, when we dumped last week, 6% or whatever, we were down to seven. Well, we were down to fucking 17,350. Oh shit, that's where I fucking canceled my order. Nice job, JJ. Nice job from 600. Good shit. Yeah, we went down to 17,350 and came all the way back up and went over where we were the Friday before. And then yesterday we had this crazy fucking day. I can see that. I can see us coming all the way back down. It's just gonna fucking pump you though. Yeah, I knew it. What was the other order I canceled? 94? There's 94. I would have gotten filled. Yeah, this is coming up, back up this way. Maybe I get filled here. Maybe it pulls back enough to fill me. Probably not though. There's 94. Oh, I got filled on two of the five. Oh, now I'm in all of them. Watch, it comes back and fills this and then dumps. That would be funny. That'd be so funny. I think it's gonna go back up to like these 34s though. Yep. Fucking knew it. Boom. Only 14,000 more dollars to go to fucking pass this. Yeah, Dan, it was fucking crazy. It was absolutely nuts. Let me go to the daily. And the mark and like during the overnights, the fucking market was insane. Like this was it right here. We're all like right here. This was it. We came down all the way to fucking 17,350. We're back up from 17,350 from so 19,667 minus 17,350. We're literally back up 13% from that bottom. 13% from here. Fucking crazy. This is the NQ on the daily chart. Absolutely insane. Look at that rejection off the 34s. Oh man, I hope someone took that. Gotta love the 34s. It literally hit the 34 and rejected fucking 12 points, 13 points. I'll take another shot. This will be my last trade. We'll see how it fucking plays out because we're back at the bottom, back at the top orb. I just feel like it has another bounce in it, but I could be wrong. I have a short leash on this one. On this one. Guess I was wrong. I guess it's going to go down to the bottom one. Oh, fucking A. It was worth a shot. I don't fucking care. Yeah, last trade. It's always the last trade. Is it coming down here, or did I get bottom fucking ticked? But I give it back. Look, 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 look. Every fucking time. It's coming all the way back up. Oh, I would love to get filled right there and go all the way down to the bottom one. Of course I got bottom. I always get bottom. Or topped. What up, Yorkshire Reefer? The Asian low just got taken. Yeah, I mean, if it's the bottom one is right here at 60.75. Monkeypox cases, yeah. Let's see what percentage of all these people that end up with monkeypox are fucking COVID vaccinated. It's literally a fucking adverse reaction to the COVID vaccines. Autoimmune blistering. It's in the fucking Pfizer reports. Anyway, um, they're saying, "Oh, it's coming out of Africa." It ain't coming out of fucking Africa. They're fucking adverse reactions. Yeah, one monitor. Well, I got this one laptop that I'm looking at to chat with. 96 people on the stream right now. Awesome, guys. Thank you. If you guys want to check out, I don't know, yeah, if you want to check out Take Proper Trader, they're running a deal right now. This fucking thing's gonna bounce. This is gonna pop or not. I don't know. I would like to come up here and film me. Take Proper Trader doing 50% off any size test account, and 100% of your test fee will get refunded if you after you request your first pro withdrawal. Here's my link. Apex is doing a whop. Apex is. I can't wait for them to go back to 80%. But right now, Apex is doing 70% off. My Funded Futures gives you a whopping. Oh my God! You couldn't film me. My Funded Futures giving you guys a whopping 5%. But you know what? You don't have to pay an activation fee on My Funded Futures, which is cool. So you could be all in with a 50K starter account for 76 bucks and get a pay. Imagine getting a payout on your first try. This is going to be a fucking bad idea. It's going to keep going up. Maybe I'll get lucky. It's going to go up. Of course, it's going to go up now. Just had that look. Whatever. Just if you're gonna get an account with any of those if you're gonna get a My Fund Futures, Apex, and Take Profit Trader account, or you already have them, use coupon code ZERODAYJAY to get the best deal available. Bullinox is doing 90% off also. Bullinox is 90% off using coupon code ZERODAYJ. It's always that last fucking trade. It's always the last fucking trade. Like, this is my last trade of the day. Look, I got bottom. Look, there's the original order. It came all the way back and I was green. Did it? Well, now it's rejecting off the top orb. It went back to the top orb and rejected off of it. Just keep going down. Go down to fucking 60. No? Yeah, Apex. I'm with you, bro. I was in long. I was in long before. Right here. And I got fucking stopped out. And now it's looking more like I got bottom ticked. And now I'm going short thinking it's going to continue to the bottom orb. And I'm getting fucking yo-yoed. Gave back all. I had $1,000 in gains. I was down 2,000. Then I was up 1,000. Maybe I'll get a fucking little drop here. I don't fucking know. So that account's gone, DGen. Yesterday I was on full tilt. I fucking nuked it. It's gone. Keep going. Fuck, man. Couldn't move fast enough. $19,428. I won't be around for $19,428, but that would be cool. I wish I added right here. If I would have added right here, I'd be fucking green by like $500, but I got scared and I moved it up. Oh, fuck. Oh, well. That was my chance. At least the price action's not bad. Yeah, I'm with you, but I'm committed to this trade, so we'll see what happens. I'm with you. What up, Woodshed? I got fucking bottom tick down here. I got stopped out. It went down a little bit lower, and then it bounced. It always does. And then I went short, thinking it was going to continue down to the bottom orb, and now I'm getting yo-yoed around. But whatever. It's a fucking eval. All that matters to me right now is I got these two payouts fucking pending, and I got day 9 completed. Day 9's completed on number 89, and Monday I will be fucking locking in another payout. This is whatever. I don't even fucking care about this. I should have stopped it when I was up $1,000 and went to sleep, but that's a whole other fucking story. Tiago, yes sir. What's up, Tiago? Yeah, lots of breathing and relaxing now. I'm gonna be breathing and relaxing, not touching these accounts. I'm not touching. I haven't traded this account in like 2 days, number 85. This one I'm not going to touch until it gets approved or denied. I'm not touching any of this shit. This one I have to trade a little bit more, 89. It's too late for protecting positions. Damn, it's fucking 3:43. I gotta wake up in 2 hours to take my son to work. Prices at yesterday's close. Right there. The 34 EMA is what I want. Am I gonna get the 34 EMA reversal or no? Yeah, woodshed. I don't even, dude. Yesterday was awful. I don't like this shit. Is like whatever. Like the only account that matters. The only account that matters is 89 right now, and that one I'm done for the day. I don't care about losing 91 bucks because I have on 89. I have $150 that I could play with on day 10. I have the daily loss limit at 80. I think I don't even know 80 or 90. I think it's 80. This is like slippage and fucking bullshit. So I just need this to fucking. Um, I just need to trade one more day on Monday, Sunday going into Monday, and then after Monday settles, I fucking request a payout, another payout. So I'll have 2750, 2000, and then another $2,000 payout pending, and then and then you sit there and wait for Apex to figure out if they want to pay me or not. I just breathe and relax. Damn, I would have gotten. I moved this up. I moved this out of the way, hoping I got filled at the fucking. I would have gotten filled. I would have gotten filled. I'd be up so much more. I'd be up another fucking $600. Yo, what up, Aventus? B. Collins, do you ever sleep? I know, right? No, not really. I do not really ever sleep, it seems now. Once my son gets his license and can drive himself to work, I will be able to get better sleep, more sleep. I'll get more gooder sleep. Can we keep dumping? Fucking drop. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Fuck. You fucking kidding me right now? Fucking dump it. There we go. Dump that shit. I'll take that. Boom. Back up $1,000. All right, now I could go to sleep. uh, yup. I was just looking at the daily before because I was talking with Dan about how fucking crazy it is that this shit. How we came all the way down. We literally fucking came all the way down here. This is when I mean, yeah. Whoops. I don't need that anymore. Let me do this. Let me draw a little Fibonacci. Do some Fibonacci. I'm gonna do some Fibonacci game. Bottom. Yeah, I mean this is the 618. Right here is the 618 on the daily chart. Look at that shit. This is like if we dump here, we're fucking going downtown. We could go down to fucking here, bro. In the 16. Could you imagine going under 17,000? DCA LeConte, what up? Everybody wants it to dump. Oh, HR. I've been looking at the fibs for a while. There's a great channel. Thank you, Sammy Son. There's a great channel called Trading Wars. The channel is Trading Wars. Well, he trades options. He trades options, and he's a big Fibonacci guy. And he says, you see, guys, right here is where I took it." He talks like that. You see, guys, you see. He doesn't say it's easy, but he always says like, you see, guys. So right here at the 618, I took a short, and it went down. We got 20 points. You see, guys, we got 80 points. You see, guys. That's what he says. That's how he talks. But he's actually really good with the fucking fib. He trades the opening range breakout, I think, on the SPY, and he's big into the Fibonacci. Big Fibonacci guy. He wrote a book about it. And he says, you see, guys. So I just don't take oh, look at this too. Also on the daily, you see this fucking, look at this shit. We came back up to this pivot point on the daily. I mean, are we going to reject off of it? Maybe. It looks like we kind of did. We didn't. We barely just tipped it. We just missed just tipping it. But, I consider that a touch because it's right there. Yeah, Cove, he never loses. Cove knows what I'm talking about. He's always like, you see, guys, crude dramatically dumping. Really. Oh my God. Talk about trend. Talk about riding down the fucking trend. Crude's crazy. Crude was at 78.16. 78.16. $2 divided by 78. Crude's down like 2.5%. Holy shit. What's gold doing? Look at that. I got out at a great time too. It bounced fucking. I got out at 75 and it bounced up to fucking 87. But look at the fucking. I think it's gonna pop. I think it's eventually gonna. I don't know. It keeps hitting the 34 and rejecting off the 34. Look at that. Hit it once, twice. Rejected here. Look at this one here. The 34 is fucking great. The EMA and the SMA. Look at that shit. They're rejected here for fucking what? 98 to 25 points there, and then it fucking hit it again here and went down from 89 to 73, 16 points. Rejected here again. It's getting smaller and smaller. I mean, we could keep dumping, but 87 down to fucking 78, that's 10 points basically, and counting. The 34 is fucking money. Sometimes obviously, just like any other fucking moving average or indicator, eventually it doesn't hold anymore, or sometimes it doesn't hold at all, even on the first touch. But when it works, man, look at that. There, there. Plenty of opportunity. Yeah, we got that. Yeah, no escalation in the Middle East. Yeah, Alfred. Yeah, Alfred knows trading wars. He's been around for a while. But that's what he says, right, Alfred? That's how he sounds, right? He's like, you see, guys. You see, guys. That's what he. Me and Cove always joke about that shit. We fucking make fun of his voice. Like, you see, guys. He knows his shit, man. He's good. It's fucking funny. Remember when the Ukraine war broke out, Jay? That day, crude was nuts. 6% days. Damn, bro. Yeah, I wasn't doing any of this shit. I wasn't looking at crude when all that was going on. Sang Lucci's another one. He's cool. Sang Lucci's cool as fucking hell. He calls people herbs and shit. Yo, Alfred, when was the last time you called somebody a herb? Yeah, I missed all that. I can imagine prop firm trading being wild with that shit. Yeah, he calls people herbs. It's so fucking funny. Really? Yo. It's fucking. Oh my. Oh, I hear a dog. Fuck. Fuck. I'm in trouble. One of my dogs is down here. What's up? Lights out. What's up? You got a mink? Come on, let's go. Oh yeah. Sorry about that. I gotta go back and get him too. He's outside. My deaf dog. The deaf dog we're forcing. See, look, remember what I was just saying about you see guys, the 34 didn't hold this time. It fucking held one, two, three times, but this time it didn't hold. You see guys? Oh, and Dan Emmons known Sang Lucci. Yeah, he's fucking funny. Calling people herbs left and right. It's ma'am and DCA LeConte. It's ma'am. Oh, my can't. Yeah, my. Yeah, I'm not. DCA LeConte. Hope I didn't have any open orders. I wish I went long. Look at that bounce. Well, that's the fucking ES. I mean, we're up 21 points from that bottom, that last low. 21 fucking points. Back to the lower VWAP band. Are we back at the top orb too? Let me go back to here. Let me go back to the 15. No, we're not. Oh, look. Oh, see, this is look what happened. We basically bounced off the bottom orb. We didn't quite touch it. We didn't quite. We could still go back down. We're at, what are we at here? This is the yesterday's high day, previous high day. The VWAP is up here. We are at. We're over the top orb actually. We broke back over the top orb. Now we're at the lower VWAP band, and which also happens to be the previous day's low. What up, Canute? What's going on, Canute? Yeah, I gotta wake up in less than 2 hours to take my son to work. Fuck. Yeah, fucking dude, Alfred, bro. I'm still fucking pissed off about that. Well, this account's locked anyway. 89 is locked. I can't, well, unless I could always go back in and cancel my fucking risk settings, but I'm not going to. That account's done for the day. I'm done. This is day 9. So 85, I don't have any open orders, but I will make sure. 85, I haven't touched for like 2 days. And then 88, I I'm not touching that. Oh man, what a bounce. What a fucking bounce. I bet we go up to 21 and maybe reject from there, but I'm not going to be around for it to happen. Probably 89. I'm done anyway. This is a day 9, and then Monday is going to be day 10, and then I request a payout. And 486 is like whatever. This is. I mean, I could. I mean, I'm going to try and pass this today. I'm actually going to try and pass this fucking account today. Here it is, right there. 600. Well, we just hit 600. Are we going to reject off of 600? Let me make sure I don't have any orders in my fucking Take Profit Trader account open. The one account I have because I fucked up, and then my from the Futures account. I wish there was a fucking feature that you could just say lock me out of the account. Oh, look, here we go. 600 rejection. Wow. Look at that shit. That was cool. 600 down to fucking 10 points. Yo, I want to fucking trade this. Oh, that was it. That bounce right there. I'll take a shot. I'll take one last shot here. One last trade, right? Habitual, habitual insomniac. Yeah. As soon as my son goes to work, starts driving himself to work, it'll be so much better for me. Oh, by the way, you hear that? I don't know if you hear the Discord popping off. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's free. It's free to join. It's where the DCA gang hangs out, the DGen fam. Up too late, Alfred. I'm not even looking. There's the Discord link. It's where the DGen fam, the DCA gang. It's a safe house for degenerate prop firm traders. Uh oh. Oh no. The last trade I took did the same thing happen. I got fucked. Ill. Don't do it. I was up. It was up a little bit for a second. Let's fuck around. One last fafo. Can't, now the 34 is holding again. The 34 wouldn't hold on the way down, but now it's holding on the way up again. Go figure. Yeah, OPEX, like Alfred. I tell people all the time, you don't want to counter trade me. It won't always fucking work out for you. Yeah, fucking fade me, dog. That's right, fade me, dog. Keep fading me. Are we gonna keep going up? Oh, that would have been great if it just kept going up. He's playing for the longer term. Like he's up for his day. He's up. Like he's awake. So he'll be degenerate. He'll be trading like a degenerate for the rest of the day. I wish I got filled over here. But if I get filled this time, if it comes down this time, it's probably gonna keep dropping. It would have been cool if I got like $100 on that, I probably would have taken it, but it wasn't even close. I just want to fucking go to bed. Why would I be short? I was right about the 21. I just didn't have the order in. Oh well. Oh, I should have taken it. I'm being greedy. I want a pop. I want like a fucking 10 point pop here, 5 point pop. Teach everybody a lesson for fucking fading me. That's right. Fade me. Fucking fade me. Oh no. It didn't fucking fill me. That's fucking funny. I couldn't get out of the fucking trade. I guess I could have market exited. That's fucking funny. Famous last words. What up, Phoenix Trades? Oh, now it's 4:07. Never going to sleep. I'm gonna be trapped in this fucking trade. It's always the last trade you get fucking trapped in. Yes. There goes all my gains, baby. Let's end the day on a high note. Holy shit. 42K. That's fucking great. Yeah, look, we rejected off the previous day's high. I saw it. I said it. I saw it. Oh well. Didn't execute on it. Didn't take it. And then I was up for a minute here, and I didn't take. I moved my fucking. I moved my stop up, and it didn't. And it rejected it because of the spread. Maybe I'll nuke this account now. That'll be cool. I'm down to nuke another account. It's always the last fucking trade. Alfred, it's always the last fucking trade. Let's make it. Let's make it one to remember. Was that the bottom warp touch? No, not even close. Oh, pump that shit. Oh, that was my chance. Ew. That was my chance to get out. Oh well. Something's going on in the world. Holy shit. Yeah, the crude dumped. Crude fucking dumped. I'm locking that in. Wow, what a fill. That was an awful fill. What kind of fucking fill was that? Yeah, that was it. I'm out. I'm out. It's gonna pump now. It's gonna pump. I'm not in anymore. It's gonna pump now. Let's refresh this. Let's do some more breathing and relaxing. Still pending. I mean, it's literally been a day. It's literally been a day, but I got these two fucking payout requests pending. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. Actually, I'm probably gonna. This shit's popping off in here. There's the Discord. Oh wow, look at that drop. Dan Emmons pounding the confetti like roast beef for me. Thank you. Look at that. Oh, look at that off the 34. 15 points. Yeah, Vegas never sleeps. No, but I need to sleep. I'm gonna get an hour and a half, and then my kid's gonna fucking wake me up to take him to work. I mean, at least I got a couple of hours of sleep on the couch before. We got like 2 hours. Oh, I got like 2.5 hours actually. That was cool. I wish this one would have fucking went all the way up to here. That would have been awesome. That would have been like 2 grand. I netted four. I ended up making 20. I think I broke even on that trade. That's stupid. The yen. It's the yen. What's gold doing? Gold is moving too. But gold, even gold bounced off the 34. Gold hit the 34 right here and bounced off of it. The EMA. Wow. These are pretty big moves. That's fucking like 10 points. Starting to get busier. Joey Freedom feels like a no trade day. Yo, at least I don't have to trade any funded accounts anymore. I'm done for the day. These I'm not touching because I'm waiting on the payouts to be approved. Let me just make sure there's no fucking open orders. I'm not trying to lose another fucking account because of that shit. Losing it in my sleep. $19,570. Yeah, I like volatility, JJ. That's what I need. All right, guys, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna get myself take an hour and a half nap before I get woken up to take a kid to work. So it's been a pleasure. Join the Discord if you didn't join the Discord yet. It's free to join. Just we're closing in on 500 members. Fucking shit is great in there. It's where the DCA gang and the DGen fam hang out. It's a safe space for degenerate prop firms and futures traders because we got some guys in there like Woodshed and Dan Emmons. They trade live accounts, but everybody's welcome. All right, so with that said, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be back on for Power Hour. I'll be on at Power Hour probably a little earlier, and we'll close out the day if you want to hang out. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Thanks again for hanging out.